Hey guys, my name is Austin Gregory, and in this course, I'm going to teach you how to create a pretty cool little game. We're going to be creating Toads and Fireflies. It's based on another game with a similar name, and we're just going to be two little frogs. It's a two-player game, a local two-player game, where you can play with a friend and compete. You're going to jump, and you're going to try to attack these fireflies. And each firefly has a unique speed and a unique point value. They can be different sizes, different colors, all kinds of fun things. And the frogs, you can have as many frogs as you would like, as many players as you would like, but we're going to go with 2 players. You're going to jump from pad to pad. You're going to follow a nice little jump path. Each frog has their own jump path. And while you're in the air, if you try to jump again, if you use the action button again, you're going to attack these fireflies. And the level, the competition takes place over a set amount of time. So you've got 30 seconds or a minute or 2 minutes or however long you want your game to be. And at the end, whenever the time runs out, whoever has the most points wins the game. It's going to be pretty simple to do, and we're going to learn quite a few fun things. A few fun things that you can take and apply to this game and extend it into something fun, something a bit more. And also things you can take and apply to whatever kind of project you want to work on, because these are going to be very general topics that we're going to cover. So again, my name is Austin Gregory, and I will see you in the first lesson of Toads and Fireflies.